Hey everybody, this is Abby Finance here. We're on a mission to educate our listeners about money. Please subscribe if you like what you hear, and leave a like or a comment if you want to learn more. Today we're going to take a quick look at Robinhood Gold. So in the Robinhood account, when you tap on your profile, one of the first features you'll notice below the portfolio value and your buying power is a section called Robinhood Gold. So clicking on the Robinhood Gold section, we're just going to read out some of the descriptions and then try to explain them as we go. So get up to 2 times buying power, extended trading hours, and bigger instant deposits. Now, looking further into that, up to 2 times buying power means basically as much money as you have in your Robinhood account now, you can essentially double, up to double. You don't need to double your account, but after $2,000, you start hitting different tiers of how much money you can use through Robinhood Gold. So extended trading hours basically means that you can buy and sell stocks between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. as opposed to just 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you get a little bit extra time in the market, you get a little bit extra buying power, and then you also get instant access to your funds. So this is extremely important when you want to deposit money and buy shares right away. Like if you just put money into Robinhood and you want to buy that day. Or also if you already had some shares in Robinhood that you just sold. With Robinhood Gold, you can actually use that cash that you just got from selling your position in order to open a new position. But without Robinhood Gold, you would not be able to buy new stocks right away. So tapping on the getting started part right here, all you would really need to do is select what tier you want to use. So for Abby Finance here, we're not a really big fan of using margin. We are pretty confident that, we don't need to use it because our results will be fine over time. But looking at how large our portfolio is starting to become, near $12,000, we're thinking that, maybe a $2,000 supplement of extra purchasing power might be worth it. But looking at the $10 a month fee, that turns into $120 a year, or 6% of the extra buying power that you're paying for. So, that's a pretty high expense ratio, but you are able to increase your buying power. And over time, once you continue to deposit your own money into your Robinhood account, it'll actually decrease from the amount of stocks you own with Robinhood Gold, and you'll actually be owning those stocks with, common equity. So I guess you're potentially able to continue increasing your buying power throughout the year as long as you keep depositing your own money as well. But I don't know, it's just a little bit risky for right now, and we're not sure if we want to do it quite yet. But anyway, if you were to just tap on it, all right, so we have 6 cents of buying power. But just by clicking on it, Robinhood added another $2,000 to our account here. And now tomorrow, when the market opens, we would be able to buy up to $2,000 worth of stock. And this money isn't ours at all. So it says you'll be charged on 3/22 and your upgrade will renew every 30 days. So for me right here in Hartford, Connecticut, I'm a little bit confused because today is 3/23. Or March 23rd. So I don't really know how they could go back and charge me $10 yesterday. So I guess that's a question for Robinhood, what does that really mean? But I do understand how it would just automatically renew every 30 days if you're still using the Robinhood Gold feature. So yeah, here we are. We're on the screen right now where I guess all we would need to do is just tap continue, and then we might be able to actually use some increased buying power tomorrow. But I don't know, guys. What do you think? How about you guys leave it in the comments below whether you want to see us use Robinhood Gold. Let us know if you want us to do a review on it, and let us know if you want to know our ideas for how to use it safely, because buying on margin can be quite risky. Alright guys, so thanks for checking this video out. This is just a quick overview of what Robinhood Gold is and some of our thoughts here on what we might use it for, or if we do use it at all, when we might use it. We're only going to use it when we're positive that a stock is really cheap. And recently, some of the stocks that we thought were cheap just keep getting cheaper. So, we don't want to take out some loans here with Robinhood Gold using leverage buying on margin just to compound our losses and, multiply some of the losses we've been seeing here recently in Under Armour, Fitbit, Target, Nike. We've been having a tough run here over the past couple weeks. But with that in mind, that actually might be a good idea to actually increase our number of shares owned in all of these companies anyway. So yeah, please leave some feedback below. Let us know here at Abbey Finance what you guys are thinking about Robinhood Gold. And then maybe we'll put out a review here over the next couple weeks. Thanks for checking this video out. Have a good one.